This will be Storigami, where I'll tell a story with origami, and it'll be about the Paper Discovery Center and the Paper Industry International Hall of Fame. The Paper Discovery Center opened in 2005, and the people responsible for it sometimes had differing viewpoints. Some viewed things from the left, and some viewed things from the right. But they all agreed that they wanted a building to house the Paper Industry International Hall of Fame. And when they found out that the old Atlas paper mill was available, they worked hard to try to open its doors so it could become a museum and science center that celebrates all things paper, the wonder and the legacy. And sometimes things went well. They raised a lot of money and had a lot of people come and enjoy it. Other times it got a little tougher to raise money and to tell people about all the wonderful things that are happening. When there were good times, they raised their arms up in joy and happiness. And when there were bad times, they would get down on their knees and pray. But no matter what, the visionary people who had the idea of the Paper Discovery Center knew it would take a leap of faith.